Rigid really wanted to design a new light that was geared specifically towards our athletes and our racing programs. Every single year, trucks are getting faster and faster, so we really needed to design a new light that they could not outdrive. We took a laser and designed a brand new light specifically around that. We did a combination of laser and LED, which allows us to get a very bright light in the center, which really gives the driver the distance, but it also has the LED to widen that beam pattern to really make the light usable. And our athletes were pleasantly surprised by how much further they were able to see and plan ahead in their race.
I've been with Rigid since I was 12, and it's been really exciting to see what the engineers have done for the athletes and progression throughout the years. The laser light gave me the confidence I haven't had before because it really shined through the dark spots, and you really need to know what's coming up 250, 500 feet in front of you.